It's Thursday, y'all. You know what that means? Murph prep. Yeah. Gonna crush Murph this year. Get ready to get after it on Memorial Day weekend. So, a couple things. That's gonna be kind of cool about this Murph prep today is we're gonna throw out, get rid of the running, and we're gonna add a barbell. That's my kind of Murph. But we're gonna do a version of Cindy with power cleans. These really can be cleans anyway. So taking a bar from the ground to my shoulders. If as it gets heavier, I need the squat clean so I can get that weight up, that's fine. But we're gonna have a 20-minute AMRAP. We're gonna go through 3 rounds of Cindy, which consists of 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, 15 air squats. So I'll do that 3 times, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15. Then I'll go to my barbell for my first set of power cleans. It's 10 power cleans at 135, 95. Then 3 rounds of Cindy, 8 power cleans at a heavier weight, 185, 135. 3 rounds of Cindy, 6 power cleans at 225, 155. 3 rounds of Cindy, 4 cleans at 275, 185. 3 rounds of Cindy, 2 cleans at 315, 205. And then in the remaining time, if I have any left, I'm doing rounds of Cindy. So, a couple of things on this. One is, it's really quick to move, it's really easy to start moving quickly in Cindy and have some shoddy reps when we do Murph. So let's just try to keep our reps solid. Remember, by cutting ranges of motion, by not working that, good solid movement, you're only hurting yourself and not making the work that you're doing as applicable to everything else. The magic is in the movements, not shortening the movements and going faster. The magic is in the movements. So keep them solid. For those of you guys that are going to do this barbell version with the ascending barbell, the first 2 barbells should not be that heavy for you. I know it's written pretty heavy, but that's like RX. The first barbell, I should be able to rep out some reps. It should not be a heavy weight for me. So maybe I need to start with something like 95, 65 and add 20 pounds every time. Or, 75, 55, then 95, 65, then 115, 75, or something like that. By the time you get to that set of like 4 to 2, if you're able to make it that far, they should be kind of challenging weights. So you really have to focus on getting every rep. But that shouldn't be the case in the round of 8. If you're trying to do this RX and you're having to sit there and basically almost stop your workout, then you shouldn't be at that 185, 135. You should still be able to work through those somewhat quickly until we get to that, basically the round of 4, maybe partway through the round of 6 power cleans. For the go ham at home, if I have just a moderate weight kettlebell or dumbbell, what we're going to do, 3 rounds of Cindy, 10 power cleans with those dumbbells or kettlebells. If I have a single, I can just do 5 on one arm, 5 on the other. If I have 2, that's great. I'll do 10 reps total. But it'll be just like Cindy, except it's 3 rounds and then 10 power cleans, 3 rounds, 10 power cleans. If I do not have a pull-up bar, we're gonna go back to those bent over rows. I know you guys that did the finisher yesterday, oh no, I don't want to be in that position again. But these should be fast bent over rows. So whether I choose to go quickly with 2 hands or do a split foot, 5 on one arm really quick, 5 on the other, that should be a very fast kind of 5 reps. I don't want you to choose something that's going to make you be sitting there or really having to work too hard on it. The push-ups are going to be a little bit more challenging, and then the air squats will obviously take some time. So that's the workout, that 20-minute AMRAP. Then our finisher, 3 sets, 20 to 40 hollow rocks. Let's make some room. Low back pushed into the ground, shoulders off the ground. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not rocking up on my tailbone. I'm not doing this big rocking thing. My low back stays on the ground the whole time. If I need to, knees up, arms down. If I need to, grab my knees. One thing you'll notice, I'm not doing a crunch. If this is happening and my spine is waving at all, I'm not hollow rocking. So even if I need to hold the knees, I lock it in, and then I rock like one piece, like an egg. 20 to 40, 30-second side plank each way. Here, going to make it more challenging, here. Switch it up the other side, 30 seconds each side. And then everybody's favorite, 40 seconds of a pigeon each direction. That will be our core accessory work. It's going to be awesome. Heavy barbell with some Cindy. See you guys tomorrow.